Hi! In this tutorial you will learn how to manage user profiles in Qpath. You need to have the following permissions to access user profile settings. When a user logs into Qpath for the first time, they get a certain preset view defined by the settings for the default global user profile. The views can be customized by the user. For example, the order of the columns is changed, or certain columns are hidden or displayed, or the user saves new tiles on the dashboard. All these changes are rewritten and auto-saved into the user's current profile called My Global Profile Template. As you can see, the global default profile template is blue in color. This is the default view for the new users on the first login. Let's see how you can manage and apply user profiles functionality in Qpath. For example, you would like to build a view for the users assigned to the attending security group. First, let's build the desired view for this group of users. For example, I'll hide some columns on exams view and change the column order. Also, I'll save a new tile filtered to exams assigned to me as attending. Me option in the filter applies to the current user. Also, let's add a tile with exams pending QA. Now, go to the Settings tab and select User Profiles. We need to save my profile template as a new global profile. Click Organize and select Save as Template option from the menu. Click Edit and rename the new global profile as needed and save. Now, you have two global profile templates. Let's see how we can push our new global profile to the attending users. First, the new global profile for the attending users should be set to default. Click Organize and select Set as Default option. Next, go to Security tab and select Units. Click on the target unit and hit Membership button. Select the attending security group and click Users. Please note that all existing users on the list will get the new profile as soon as you push it. Their existing settings for the views will be erased. Click Reset button to push the new global profile to the users. Now, I'll impersonate an attending user to verify the update. The login for this user shows that the profile update was successful. I'll build a second profile for the resident users. This profile contains DICOM exams as the default view. DICOM exams list is located in Browse tab. I also saved a view for my progress report, which will show the user's personal statistics for the performed exams. Let's create a new global profile template for residents and set it to default. You already know how to do it. Let's push the new profile to resident users. Go to Security, Units, Membership, and Users. Here, I'm switching back to the global default profile template with the basic view on the new login. It's optional and depends on your preference for the Qpath setup. Now, let's learn how you can update the settings for the existing global default profile template. I've already built the preferred default view for the new users, which is saved to my personal profile template. Select my default profile and click Organize. Select Save as option. In the new window, select the global default template which you want to update with the new settings. Hit OK to confirm the update. Global default profile update will not affect existing users. However, users can reset their own profile to default if needed. To do it, click on the user account and select Restore Defaults option. You can also create multiple templates for the personal user profiles. For example, you have views set up for a system admin user which you would like to keep as your personal view setting. Additionally, you may want to switch to another user profile without breaking your view. To do it, simply create a copy, in our case of the attending global profile template. Now, you have two My Profile templates. You can switch between them by setting the selected profile as default. Please consider the existing limitations of the user profiles in Qpath. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching.